Hello, good morning everyone. I am Akanksha. Today I am here to explain my database project on online shopping system. Introduction for this project. In this project, we are designing an online shopping system database. In today's fast-changing business environment, it is extremely important to able to respond to client needs in most effective and timely manner. Online shopping is the lifestyle e-commerce web application which details various products. The database design allows viewing various products available, enables registered users to purchase desired products instantly using different payment method. Users can add products to their carts, and after payment, then cart items get converted into orders. Users cannot club multiple cart items in one order. They need to order cart item individually. The main purpose of this, we are the main purpose of this is we are designing an online shopping system database. This database consisting of single 6 entities, customers, categories, products, cards, payments, orders. This design covers how a user can go to online e-commerce website and check product category wise or product specific. Subsequently, they add products to their cart. Once they complete the payment against the cart item, it gets converted to order. We can explain in detail with ER diagram and converts it into data model, detail operational scenarios. Customers will search for product from product table. Category information will be the category table. Customer can add product to the cart. Once they complete payment, cart item get converted into orders. There are 3 types of payments: credit card, cash on delivery, and net banking. Order table having info related order like order date, total cost, shipment status, and shipment address. ER diagram for it. ER diagram is an entity relationship diagram. Here, a rectangular entities are represented in rectangular boxes, and attributes are represented with oval shape, and a relationship is described with the diamond shape. And each entity is having its attributes like customer ID, username, password, first name, last name, email, and payments is having the payment entity is having its attributes as payment date, amount type, and payment ID. And customer table and relationship is represented with the diamond shape. Here orders are converted into cards. ER diagram to the data model. What is the ER? What is ER diagram? ER diagram stands for the entity relationship diagram. It is also known as ERD diagram that displays relationship of entity sets stored in database. In other words, ER diagram help to explain the logical structure of database. ER diagrams are created based on basic concepts, entities, attributes, and relationships. At first look, ER diagram look like very similar to flow chart. However, ER diagram includes many specialized symbols, and its meanings make this model unique. The purpose of ER diagram is to represent entity framework infrastructure. ER model stands for entity relationship model. It's a high level conceptual data model diagram. ER diagram helps to systematically analyze data requirements to produce well-designed database. The ER model represents real-world entities and relationships between them. Creating an ER model in DBMS is considered as best practice before implementing your database. ER modeling helps you to analyze data requirements systematically to produce a well-designed database. So it is considered to be a best practice to complete ER modeling before implementing your database. Contents of the various tables. Customer table contents. Customer table is having following properties: customer ID, first name, last name, email, password, user ID, city, and postal code. Customer ID, the unique ID to identify the customer. First name contains the customer's first name, last name contains the customer's last name, email contains the customer's email ID, password contains customer password to log into the system, username contains the customer's username, which is same as email ID. City contains customers present city. Product table contains. Product table is having following properties. Product ID is a unique ID to identify the product. Name contains the name of the product. Category ID is a unique ID to identify the category of the product. This is the foreign key to the category ID of the category table. Price contains the price of product. Description describe the produce. U table contents. U table is having following properties. Customer ID, unique ID to identify the customer. This is foreign key references to customer ID of customer table. Product ID, unique ID to identify product. Number is viewing. This is a foreign key references to product ID of product table. Category table. Category table is having following properties. Category ID, unique ID to identify the category. Category name contains the name of the category. Cart table contains. Cart table is having following properties. Cart ID, uniquely identify each cart item. Customer ID, uniquely identify each customer. This is a foreign key referencing the customer ID of customer table. Quantity of the product. Product ID, uniquely identify each product. This is the foreign key referencing the product of product table. Order table contains. Order table is having following properties. Order ID, uniquely identify each order. Payment ID, uniquely identify each payment. Order date contains the order date. Total cost contains the total cost. Shipment status, it contains the shipment status of the product. Cart ID, uniquely identify each cart item. This is a foreign key referencing to the cart ID of the cart table. Shipment address contains the shipment address. Payment table contains. Payment table is having following properties: payment ID, customer ID, type, amount, and payment date. Queries. These are the queries we use it for online database shopping system. Select count star number category from category. This is to find the how many categories are there. The total number of categories there are 7. Total to find the total number of sales in April, we use the following query. Select sum of amount total April sale from payments where payment date is between April 1st and April 30. List all products in mobile phones category. Select p.name as product name from products P. Category C, where p.category ID is equals to c.category ID and c.category name is equals to mobile phones. These are the products that are present in mobile phones category. List one of the users who purchased maximum. Select concat c.first name, c.last name, name from customer C. Select s.customer ID, s.sum from select customer ID, sum of amount. Select payments, group by customer ID, order by s.sum, disk limit 1, where c.customer ID is equals to s.customer ID. This is the one. This is the user who has purchased the maximum. James Burt is the one. List of products in cart of username James Burt. Select p.name from customer C, cart CR products P, where c.customer ID is equals to cr.customer ID and cr.product ID is equals to p.product ID and c.first name is equals to Jim and c.last name is equals to Burt. Where these are the products, all products in the username James Burt. How much purchase happened for each payment method. Select type, payment type, sum of amount, sum from payments, group by type. These are the different type of payments method. There's a credit, cash on delivery, and net banking. happened by each purchase method. Mhm. All product to find all products ordered on 3rd March. Select type, payment type, sum of amount, sum from payments, group by type. Mm, all products ordered on this particular date. List all products with James but viewed but not added to cart. Select F dot name. Select P dot name from products P, view V, customer C, where C dot customer ID is equals to V dot customer ID and V dot product ID is equals to P dot customer ID and C dot first name is equals to James and C dot last name is equals to but. If where F dot name not in, select P name from products P, cards C, customer C, where P dot product ID is equals to C dot product ID and customer ID is equals to U dot customer ID and U dot first name is equals to James and U dot last name is equals to Bert. So these are the products James Bert viewed, but he doesn't added this product to the cart. How many times to find the how many times each product has been ordered. Select P dot name count star from products P orders O and card C where O dot cart ID is equals to C dot cart ID and C dot product ID is equals to P dot product ID group by P dot name. Here MacBook Pro is ordered for 2 times, MacBook Air is added for 2 times, iPhone X is ordered for 2 times, and so on. Total amount of purchase, total amount of purchase of every user. Select concat C dot first name, C dot last name, select P dot amount, select from customers, payments P where P dot customer ID is equals to C dot customer ID group by C dot first name, comma C dot last name. This is the total of amount of purchase done by the every user. Then total number of categories of online shopping system is 7. This is the query of total number of sales that is happened in April month. Let's run it and check it. Total amount of sale happened in April month is this. And to list the all categories of mobile phones, we use this query. Select P dot name as product name from products P category save where P dot ID is equals to C dot category ID and C dot category name is equals to mobile phones. Let's run. 3 categories of mobile phones present. So this is the output for this. This is used to find the user who has purchased maximum amount. James Burt. James Burt is the user who purchased maximum. We use this select concat C dot first name, C dot last name, name from customer C, select S from customer ID, select customer ID, comma sum of amount. What are the different to find what are the different types of payments used? This is and payments done by and some of the each payments. These are the products that was purchased by the James Burt. This is to list the products purchased by the customer James Burt. Mm, these are the various queries I have executed. And finally, I would like to express my gratitude towards Dr. Sang Soo, our professor for database management system, for helping me to learn more about database management system and gaining more knowledge and enhancing my skills in it. He explained each and every topic clearly. Thank you so much, sir.